budget date is fast approaching and all are waiting to see what would be the key changes in direct and indirect taxes. But I know some are confused and want to know the basic difference between direct and indirect tax. Hello and welcome. I'm Namita, a tax expert at Clear. We are India's largest tax and financial services platform for individuals. To support us, subscribe to our channel to see all the taxation and finance related videos. Let's see how the twin sisters Seeta and Geeta will help you to explain the difference between direct and indirect taxes. So let's meet them. Hey Geeta, you remember you have lost your bet and you owe me your this month's salary? Check your account. I had transferred you rupees 55,000. But I know your monthly salary is rupees 16,000. So you should give me the full amount of salary. Why? What about the tax which my employer has deducted? Which tax are you talking about? My employer has deducted TDS from my salary and she has given me the balance amount. So, if your employer is already deducting tax from your salary, then why are we paying income tax separately? No, I think you are getting confused. Let me explain you. TDS is a part of income tax. If the employer has deducted TDS, I mean tax deducted at source from my salary, it means the employer has paid income tax on my behalf to the government by deducting it from my salary. Oh, it means on computation of your income tax liability of your total income, you will deduct this TDS amount which is already paid to the government by your employer, and balance will be your outstanding tax liability or refund as the case may be. Yes. Now you are right. Oh, it means TDS is an indirect tax and income tax, GST, etc. are classified as direct tax? No. As I said earlier, TDS is a part of income tax which is classified under direct tax. We can say that the government collects income tax at source itself for certain type of income to avoid evasion of tax. However, goods and services tax, that is GST, customs, etc. are classified under indirect taxes. How is it possible? Whenever I purchase anything, I pay GST directly. How can you say it is an indirect tax? The manner of payment of tax is not the factor that decides that it is an indirect tax or direct tax. The main difference between direct and indirect taxes is that direct tax is to be paid by individuals and businesses based on their income or profits earned during the year, whereas indirect tax is paid irrespective of your income or profits. Indirect tax needs to be paid on services and products. Let me explain how indirect tax works. So suppose a sari manufacturer sells a sari to the distributor at rupees 1500 and collects GST of rupees 180 from the distributor. Assuming GST rate for the sale of fabrics is 12%, the manufacturer will deposit the GST collected of rupees 180 to the government. However, the distributor will sell this sari to the wholesaler at rupees 1800 and collect GST of rupees 216 from the wholesaler. Your GST of rupees 216 collected from the wholesaler shall be reduced by the amount of GST paid to the manufacturer, and the distributor will pay the balance GST of rupees 36 to the government. Similarly, it will be the case with the other intermediaries such as wholesaler and retailer. Ultimately, in this example, you can see that the burden of tax is completely passed on to the consumer and the end consumer has to pay GST of rupees 300 to the retailer. Now I understood. Indirect tax is a tax which is paid by the intermediaries and the burden of tax is shifted to the end consumers. Hence, even if you purchase a chocolate, you may have to pay indirect tax on it, irrespective of how much you earn. Exactly. And in case of direct tax, such as an income tax, the burden of payment of tax falls on the same person on whom the tax is levied. The tax is payable as per his income and therefore, you can see that there are tax slabs like 5%, 10%, 20%, etc. for different income levels in income tax. So folks, I hope the twin sisters Seeta and Geeta have helped you to know the difference between direct and indirect tax. If you have any questions related to taxation, please comment below. We will reply to it as soon as we can. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more updates. Take care and goodbye.